Hello guys, today we have the 2023 Lincoln Aviator Black Label. I'm so excited to drive this vehicle, but before we do it, let's take a walk around. Woo! Alrighty. All right, this color is called Chroma Carvier Dark Gray. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong. And it is the black labels, which you get the labels in black exterior mirrors, black 22-inch machine aluminum wheels. And if we pop the hood here, we have a 3.0 liter V6 twin turbo engine, puts out about 400 horsepower with about 415 feet-pounds of torque. This vehicle is completed together with a 10-speed transmission, which moves really fast. Lincoln did an awesome job designing this vehicle. Big chromed out grille, fog lamps down at the bottom, curved headlamps right here, and the LED turn signal there. Again, this is the big 22-inch machine aluminum wheels, 275/40 rim size 22s, pretty big. Black exterior mirrors. They did a little chrome side skirt there. I love the painted door, body match painted door handles. Nice, leveled out perfect. Then you come to the back, and then you have the dual exhaust, chrome tips, chrome on the bumper as well. Big Lincoln emblem on the back. And let's take a look at this power liftgate. They have a little car here to show you where the liftgate is to pop the trunk. I mean, it's hard to see if you don't know it's already there. Good amount of storage room here in the back. Pretty sure this comes up too. You can actually fold seats down. We have a 12-volt there, clamps to hold anything in the back here. Let's try it. Third row right going down, third row left going down, and you can pick them right back up. Do have cup holders and vents in the back for any third row passengers. Power liftgate button is right here. They did have a hands-free liftgate, but I guess the chips for it are not in stock or whatnot, because they did take it off the MSRP here. One thing I love about Lincoln and Ford is there's no caps for your gas, so you can literally just bust like that, just in case you ever forget to put that on. This interior is called Chalet Interior. If you guys don't know, Lincoln has their own names for their own interior, which is perfect. Come here, do have sunshade visors there, audio systems on the doors, power lock and unlock, window control for the back, and then your button to open the car is actually there. Let's take a look. This doesn't give you a luxury feeling. I don't know what would. Nice third row space. Do have an extra cubby hole back here, USB-C and USB-A there. Wow. Well, you can close the sun visors from the back, sunroof. Do have ambient lighting in there, which is not the best right now because it's real light out, but I'm gonna do a nighttime video on this car as well. Stay tuned for that. Have your own climate control back here. You actually have your own heated seats back here on the screen, and ventilated seats, which is awesome because I think Lincoln is quite a few of the only ones that have the ventilated back seats as well. But you also have your own heat controls, air quality. You can change the audio system. And then down here we have a USB-C and a USB-A charger, and then 110 volt down there as well, plug. Great, nice material. Armrest feels pretty good. I like how this cubby hole just pops right back into the seat, you know, as you don't have to pull it out, drop right back down in there. Really, really nice. This interior reminds me of an MK purse. The only thing that I wish is, you see how they have the stitching on this seat? I wish they would have took it to the rear as well. I don't know why they just left them plain back there. Door handle is actually on the inside of this door, which is pretty crazy. Lincoln badge there. Let's hop in. Alrighty. You actually can adjust the seat on the door handle, which is insane. Have memory seats there, power lock and unlock, auto folding mirrors here, and then you can adjust your mirrors to see out of them. On the left, there we go. Right's good. Power windows, all of your light switches dimming and brightening your screen. Do have my fog lamps on, yes. Power liftgate button there, just in case someone's heading in the back. Ambient lighting in the cup holders. It's actually a closer to close all of this up. Leave my phone in there. We have different drive modes. We have deep conditions, normal, conserve, which is like your eco mode, excite, and then we have slippery. Heated and ventilated seats, heated steering wheel, controls for you and your passenger for your AC and heat, radio modules, turn it off and on, lock the rear audio, piano keys for your park, reverse, neutral, and drive. Turn this off. Full 360 display camera, just pretty nice, pretty impressive. Parking sensors, or you can navigate the parking, or you can turn on the active park assist. I'm not gonna put that on, I'm so sorry. Agree. Let's turn this Apple CarPlay on. I have to unlock my phone, right? Yeah. There we go. Leave that right there. Vents, power sunroof. Nice. Glove compartment box. Big glove, big center console here. Alright, this is a 10.1-inch screen. I do have heads-up display on as well. MSRP on this vehicle is fully spec'd out. Was around $86,000. Having combined gas mileage of 20 miles per gallon. This vehicle also does have adaptive damping suspension, which gives it more handling. And let's take it for a spin. First off, it doesn't even feel like I'm driving a big third-row SUV. It feels really small. Oh, he said I'm good to go. I love how it tells me how many miles I have until emptying on the windshield too. As I said, it does not feel big at all. Love how they put how they designed the hood. Gives it more of a buffier, luxury style look. This thing feels like it has a lot of power. Brakes feel good. It's just there. I do have paddle shifters here. All of my controls to change my songs, my volume, cruise control. If I want to put nav on. This Lincoln is almost just as like the ST. I guess this is Ford's Lincoln. This is Lincoln is Ford's Explorer ST, just this Aviator, which it does not play, it moves. I don't even think we have that in Excite mode, which is more responsive and engaging. Now we do. Handles really, really well. No issues there. Hugs and feels really tight. These seats are one of the most comfortable seats I've ever been in. Feels really, really good. I feel like I'm positioned directly down, so when I hit the gas, it's like it just pushes me more into the cushion. I'm gonna give it a little pull here. Wow, that felt really good. Got up and moved pretty good. Let's turn on this cruise control to see what that's all about. So as you guys see here, I'm gonna set. You gotta do it from the back here. It says my cruise control is set on my heads up display, and I can set right there in the middle of the screen. I can set how many car links I want ahead. So right now I'm at 1 car. I'm actually gonna turn on the lane keeping system as well. Keep me in both center lanes of the highway while I'm driving. I don't have to do no braking. The vehicle's braking right now for me. It's literally just driving me while I'm on the highway. And it says keep hands on the steering wheel, so I'm guessing you have to keep that grip there. And just let go again. And it's literally driving itself. It's a cool little thing if you want to just go like that. Just give it a feel. Really, really impressive. Now let's do the sound test, because this has a really good sound system in it. There we go. Want to see how this blind spot detection works. We'll keep the music up to 15, or we'll do 10 so you guys can still hear me while I'm driving. And there's the Jeep Renegade coming up on my blind spot here. There it goes, blinks in the mirror to let me know. Then it tells me right there on my heads up display as well. Let's play with these plateau shifters. Do a quick little 0 to 60. that transmission is just so responsive. Then it just went back into drive for me. We'll see the 0 to 60 just in drive. As you see there, it feels like it went a little bit faster in drive. You know what they say, you cannot beat a computer. Lincoln is like one of my favorites. And there you have it. The cool thing too is if you're not used to these piano keys, when you're about to park, if you just hit that, it automatically goes into park for you. You can do the power liftgate from this key fob. Let's put remote start on. As you guys just see, the suspension adapt, slow it down now. It's pretty cool. That's gonna be it for today's video. I'll catch you guys in the next video.